Do you know how many great-grandparents that every person has? If you go 27 generations, so that would be a great times 27. Great, 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 great. We have, everybody who's ever lived has over 1 billion great-grandparents. Great times 27. So over 1 billion. That means that I had there, if I go back, well, how long is a generation? A generation is 20, let's say 20 to 25 years. So let's just say 25. So that would mean 27 generations ago was roughly 675 years ago. So 675 years ago, there had to be over 1 billion people, and every one of them would have to be related to me. But 675 years ago, there wasn't even 1 billion people. We didn't have over 1 billion people. It's estimated around the 19th century, like 1800s. So it's even, if you go back to Julius Caesar, let's say, 27 generations before him, 675 years before him, roughly 675 BC, there certainly wasn't 1 billion people. But he definitely had 27 generations back, because we have history in 675 BC. But there wasn't even close to 1 billion people. So, Houston, we got a problem. A big one.